Hi everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an authentic French onion soup. The good thing is that I'm going to be using my homemade demi-glace in this recipe. So stay tuned and make sure to check out my demi-glace video if you haven't seen it yet. Let's do it. For this recipe, we're gonna be using the both red and white onions. Cut a little bit of both ends off, cut them in half, and then slice them thinly. You might cry during this step, but it's okay. You're gonna be fine if you use a very sharp knife. Believe me, no more onion tears then. Add butter and olive oil along with onions and salt into a pot. Keep the lid on and cook it for 5 minutes on a high heat. As you can see, they're becoming soft and translucent. Add bay leaves and thyme and let it cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, stir them and don't forget to scrape the bottom of the pot. The onions are started to caramelize. From now on, cook them without the lid for another 10 minutes and stir them once a while. It looks perfect. Add the red wine and reduce it to dry. Add the demi-glace, bring it into a boil and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Make sure to check out my demi-glace video guys if you haven't seen it yet. French onion soup is normally served with a piece of toasted bread or a few pieces of croutons, topped with Gruyere cheese. You can use a torch or broil it in the oven for about 2 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly.
Okay, I've been waiting for this moment so long. Let's begin. It's savory with a very rich flavor and it's sweet because of the caramelized onion. It's so good, it's delicious, you should give it a try. So thank you for watching and please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest. Have a lovely day and see you next time.